Haitians everywhere, rise up and stand. Politicians and oligarchs have ruined our land. They stole our peace and led our youth astray. But Haiti can rise again for better. Our nation was built on courage and faith. Together we can reclaim what hatred destroyed. Rise up, Haiti, let the world hear our voice. Let freedom ring louder than lies. We did it in 1804. We can rise again with Jesus beside us from shore to shore. Hey, let us say no to destruction for a beautiful Haiti. Let us place our nation on the right path. For our children, our future, and our land. With Christ our Savior, together we stand strong. Barbecue and Tila Plea. Remember the heroes who fought for freedom, who stood together and shaped our destiny. With pride, that courage lives within us today, driving fear and despair far away. With justice, truth, and unity before us, the people can stand and help Haiti rise. Rise up, Haiti, let the world hear our voice. Let freedom ring louder than lies. We did it in 1804. We can rise once more with Jesus beside us from shore to shore. Let us say no to destruction for a beautiful Haiti. Let us place our nation on the right path. For our children, our future, and our land. With Christ our Savior, together we stand strong. Vida Lamenti Gabriel, our children deserve peace in school, to dream of a future with opportunities. Give them books instead of guns. Give them hope for brighter days. Let every family see a brighter sun for a stronger Haiti and a better tomorrow. Rise up, Haiti, let the world hear our voice. Let freedom ring louder than lies. We did it in 1804. We can rise once more with Jesus beside us from shore to shore. Let us say no to destruction for a beautiful Haiti. Let us place our nation on the right path. For our children, our future, and our land. With Christ our Savior, together we stand strong. Izo, Lamo Sanjo, the diaspora is ready to help rebuild, to invest, create jobs, and strengthen our Haiti. But this dream must be built by us. Haiti's future belongs to all of us. Hand in hand, let our nation rise with faith, courage, and open eyes. Rise up, Haiti, let the world hear our voice. Let freedom ring louder than lies. We did it in 1804. We can rise once more with Jesus beside us from shore to shore. Let us say no to destruction for a beautiful Haiti. Let us place our nation on the right path. For our children, our future, and our land. With Christ our Savior, together we stand strong.